my channel is declining, and I think it has to do with three things, and I want to share these three things with you in this video. So these three things are trends, thumbnails, and general topics. So let me explain what I mean. First of all, you can see here, so these are my views for the last 28 days here in the middle of the screen. And I already shared this with you, so I started uploading here, I got some views, it got a little more, and suddenly, boom, 15,000 views, then 11, then 16, 16. But from this day on, 14, 10, 9, 6, 6, here's 6, 8, and here's 6. Yeah, well, today it's, here, these are the real-time views about the last 48 hours, so the right side of this is like something that you can't see here right now, because this one here is like 1 day delayed or 2 day delayed, and this here on the right side is real time. So it seems that it goes up a little bit today again, so we will see. But why is it declining, and what do I think can I do now? First of all, I already shared this, that was here because of the huge trend. On May 27th, Epic Games shared that Unreal Engine 5 is out as a beta version, and I immediately downloaded it and made videos about this. Yeah, and because so many people, it was a huge trend, so many people seem to search for it, I got also a lot of views, so much more views than before. So that was great, but a trend is a trend, and the trend comes fast and then declines slowly, and this is the first reason why my channel is declining. But there is another reason, and I want to share this here when I click on content, and you can see my last videos. And I want to focus on my Unreal Engine videos, because I have also different topics, but for the other topics, the views were never that great. Only, you can see here, Unreal Engine 5, 5,000 views, Unreal Engine 5, 2,000 views, yeah. And all my other videos have like 70, 70, 60, 60 views, yeah. So not that much. So, but it's not just the trend. And the second thing I want to share with you are the thumbnails. So thumbnails is here, this small picture you can see right now, yeah. We have to do this manually. Also, let me show you here. This is where I upload the video. And here you can see thumbnails. So these three ones are part of the video. Yeah, this is what YouTube generated, but this one is one to upload. Now it says download, but I can say change and I can upload again. So this is actually a screenshot I did, yeah, of the video. So, but it's not the best. It's not the best advertising for my video, right? Because the thumbnail should be something like an advertising for a video. But this one is just not the best one, and this is reason number 2 why this video doesn't get so much views. It's just at 217 right now, and I know there are other Unreal Engine videos out there now that got like published today, 2 days ago or so. So after the main trend, and they get much more views. And one of the reasons is the thumbnail. So this is not a good thumbnail. But for example, when we go down to my most successful video, this one here, this is a great thumbnail, because this Unreal Engine 5 versus Unreal Engine 4. And you can see, like, fans of Unreal Engine can see the difference in the lighting, because that's a huge thing, the lighting for Unreal Engine 5. Yeah, you can see here a main difference for this lamp. Even this is a very small picture right now. Yeah, it depends how huge this is shown on YouTube. Sometimes it's bigger. If you see it on mobile suggested, it's smaller, and it also depends on which device, if it's an iPhone or Samsung or whatever. Yeah, so thumbnail is super important, that it's easy to understand. Yeah, I can understand this thumbnail here. You can see this is this with this. And that's not with all my videos, yeah. And this one here, you can't really understand. So only fans who really know the Apple Park, the building, the headquarters from Apple, maybe they can see it. But it's so it's here. This is like dark, and everything around is also dark. There's not much contrast. It's just not a good thumbnail, yeah. And it's important that these small preview pictures already look good when they are small. So I will continue uploading Unreal Engine 5 videos, but I will try to make better thumbnails, definitely. Because, by the way, the content of the video here, in my opinion, is not worse than the other ones. But why should I click it, right? And when people don't click it, why should YouTube recommend? Yeah, why should YouTube promote my video if people don't click it? Okay, that's reason number 2. Reason number 3 is the topic. So on the first day, this one here, probably I was the first on YouTube who made this comparison, Unreal Engine 5 and Unreal Engine 4. So this is important. I made something people were interested to see. Yeah, so of course, when there's something new, you want to see maybe a side-by-side comparison. And has never been done before. Yeah. So, and that was huge. That's why this video got now it's 60,000 views. So that's great for my channel. Like 60,000 views, it's crazy. So, and here the topic is just not that good. So many people are not interested. So I found it funny, like Apple Park, yeah. So this building is called Apple Park. It's the headquarters from Apple. And to make it like, it's like actually the title is Apple Park in the year 2077. So, and this is like a dry, like in a desert. So usually the original Apple Park is like green, everything is fresh and brand new. And in my case, I have this in the desert and everything's dried out. And because people didn't care about the environment, and suddenly this is how it turned out in the year 2077. So it was a little joke, but probably only my kind of humor, and was probably only people were just not interested in this. Yeah, I can understand this. I was interested in this, but people are not interested in this. So the topic itself about the video was just not interesting enough for other people to watch. So I think these are the three main reasons why my channel is declining. Yeah, because the trend is still there. It's not as strong as the first day, but if I come up with better video ideas, I think I can get more traction. So Unreal Engine is definitely one thing I want to make on my channel, like virtual production as part of virtual production. I keep making these videos, so why not? There's a trend. I recently also tried some tech-related videos that I'm interested in. A music video that's virtual production. This is actually like a YouTube, like this YouTube money thing I'm making also with this video. This as well, YouTube money. Yeah, these are my topics right now. Okay, let's have a look at the revenue if you're interested. Like right now, 1 day delayed, I made $190 plus $20 I sold with online courses, so I made $210. So I reached and exceeded my goal for May, but I'm far behind my goal for June. So I want to make $3,000 in June. So, and I thought, okay, maybe $100 a day. So I'm definitely a lot behind. Yeah, but I won't give up. I produce a lot of videos, but also start producing like content for courses and classes, also for virtual production. So this is something you don't see on YouTube, but it's a lot what I'm doing in the background. Yeah, and also today is weekend, so I have the whole day to work on this, because from Monday to Friday I only work from 7 p.m. till 2 a.m. in the night on this, so I make this part-time. Okay, yeah, I hope that was kind of inspiring. You got some value out of it. Thanks so much for watching. I keep going and I won't give up, that's for sure. And see you in the next video.